Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. This saves time. Charge your Beats Solo 4 above 50% so the battery won't drop during pairing, and make sure the Ps5 has the latest system update installed. Once done, decide method, wired with the 3.5mm cable into the controller or wireless via a Bluetooth dongle. Ps5 does not natively accept many BT audio profiles. Prepare the USB dongle if you plan wireless. It bypasses Ps5 limitations and keeps audio lag low. You'll often get the simplest, most reliable result wired. Plug the 3.5mm cable into the DualSense controller and the Beats Solo 4, then on the Ps5 go to Settings, Sound, Output Device, and choose the controller headset. Make sure Input Device is also set if you want the mic to work. Adjust volume and mic level from the same menu, and test audio in a game or media app. Wired avoids Bluetooth codec incompatibility and reduces latency. That's why many players prefer it. If you choose wireless, plug a compatible USB Bluetooth dongle into a Ps5 USB port and put your Beats Solo 4 into pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED flashes. The dongle should indicate pairing. Once connected, select the dongle as output device in settings. If you get no sound, make sure the dongle supports a 2DP/HFP, reboot the Ps5, confirm Beats battery is charged, and retry pairing. Many connectivity issues come from unsupported Bluetooth profiles or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.